Masquera same Zimbabwe, welcome to our channel Zim Confessions and Deep Secrets. Kana kari kutanga kukuya pano channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Kana chungwa garoka subscriber, don't forget to comment and share this video. Nasita kubuditirai mutawigirai nyaya yabuditswa the Southern African Development Community yabuda chikonfirma kuti the Zimbabwean President Emmerson Mnangagwa will assume the chairmanship during the forthcoming summit irikuitwa mu Harare next month. The summit will be held under the theme promoting innovation to unlock opportunities for sustained growth and development towards industrialized Southern African Development Community. So in a press statement, the regional body, some of the key issues I discussed during this summit, included the report from the organ on politics, defense and security cooperation. The SADC summit, some of my Zimbabweans, especially supporter the opposition, the SADC should not give President Emmerson Mnangagwa chairmanship. Zvabuda chinzi Mnangagwa vakawina through rigged elections after the SADC observer mission. The SADC observer mission yabuda ichikondema mapolls aya chitoraiva chiti they were not free and fair. So in a press release yabuditswa NeSADC wabuda chitaura chiti SADC to hold the 44th summit of head of states and government in Harare, Republic of Zimbabwe on 17 August 2024. On the Southern African Development Community, SADC will hold the 44th Ordinary Summit of Heads of State and Government in Harare, Republic of Zimbabwe on 17 August 2024. The 44th Southern African Development Community Summit will be held under the theme promoting innovation to unlock opportunities for sustained economic growth and development towards an industrialized SADC. The theme calls for the region to collectively harness science, technology, and innovation to support the modernization and industrialization of the Southern African Development region. During the 44th Southern African Development Community SADC, His Excellency Emmerson Mnangagwa, President of the Republic of Zimbabwe, will take over the chairmanship of SADC from His Excellency Mr. João Manuel Lourenço, President of the Republic of Angola. Among some of the key issues, the 44th SADC Summit will receive the report of the chairperson of the organ on politics, defense and security cooperation, review progress on the implementation of the priorities of the SADC regional indicative strategic development plan, receive update of the food security and the impact of the El Nino induced drought and floods in SADC regions, and progress on the implementation of the 43rd SADC Summit theme, which is human and financial capital, the key drivers for sustainable industrialization in the SADC region. The SADC Summit is responsible for the overall policy direction and control of functions of the community, ultimately making it the policy-making institution of SADC. The ordinary SADC Summit is held every year and is attended by heads of state and government from the SADC member states. The opening and closing ceremonies of the 44th SADC Summit will be broadcast live on 17th August 2024 by the Zimbabwe Broadcasting Corporation (ZBC), which can be accessed on digital satellite television DSTV 280. For broadcasters that would like to get the clean feed from ZBC, details on the coordinates will be provided in due course. The 44th SADC Summit will be preceded by the following meetings: the 7th SADC Industrialization Week from 28 July to 2 August, Harare International Conference Center, senior officials and finance committee meeting from 8 to 11 August New Parliament Building. SADC Council of Ministers meeting 13 to 14 August, New Parliament Building. SADC and Arab Bank for Economic Development in Africa Investments Forum and Exhibition 14 August, Harare International Conference Center. SADC Public Lecture 15 August, University of Zimbabwe, Diamond Lecture Theatre. SADC Organ Troika Ministerial Committee and SADC Organ Troika Summit 16 August, New Parliament Building. Visit Geopulmonary Waste Management and Museum of the African Liberation on 18 August. As you can see, SADC in brief. And SADC is an organization of 16 member states established in 1980 as the Southern African Development Coordinating Conference, and later in August 1992 transformed into the Southern African Development Community. The mission of SADC is to promote sustainable and equitable economic growth and socio-economic development through efficient, productive systems, deeper cooperation and integration, good governance, and durable peace and security, so that the region emerges as a competitive and effective player in international relations and the world economy. Member states are Angola, Botswana, Comoros, Democratic Republic of Congo, Eswatini, Lesotho, Madagascar, Malawi, Mauritius, Mozambique, Namibia, Seychelles, South Africa, United Republic of Tanzania, Zambia, and Zimbabwe. So this letter was issued by the SADC Secretariat on 30 July 2024 from Gaborone, Botswana. Ndo zabuda mu press statement yabuditswa na the SADC Secretariat muri Zimbabwe. Chiro kuti it's now official kuti the president of Zimbabwe Wachagadzwa is the chairman of SADC muri Zimbabwe is going to assume the royal chairman with SADC muri Zimbabwe. Kutakwatulira the other people, but so vachiti President Emmerson Mnangagwa does not fit to assume this role, but it seems as if SADC yakagara pasi ikaona zvakakodzera kuti paMnangagwa vange vachi assume this role. Tingazoti muina sei nyaya yetu dzezva muri kufunga pamusoro penyaya iyi mu comment section.
With you, don't give the chairmanship to E.T. Mnangagwa. You do have the sham election 223 in August, which you said they were sham elections. Hence now, we citizens of Zimbabwe, we are now worried. You seem to be forgetting this report which stated clearly that those elections were stolen. So may you please help us. We do have our Senator Jameson Timber. He's in jail as we speak for no reason, for he didn't commit any crime. So we plead with you. We are in dire need of your help. We have sent a petition to the British Prime Minister for the same cause. Please, SADC, think of the innocent people. We don't have any pill in all our hospitals. The public funds are being stolen. Just imagine, people are suffering. So if you come to Zimbabwe and you give the chairmanship to Mnangagwa, that means you have disregarded our plea. Thank you. Okay.